Welcome to this video series for NS9100, NS9200 and NS9300. In this video we'll show how to replace an upper redundant fan module. System fan is a customer replaceable unit referred to as screw. Customer can replace the defective fan in the field. The system has 4 upper fans. The numbering is on top of the cover: 8, 9, 10 and 11. To replace an upper fan, locate the defective fan. We're going to assume 9 is a defective fan we need to replace in this video here. So to get access to the fan, we need to remove the screw. Place the screw to the side. Lift to open the fan cover. Grip the fan from both sides and pull straight up to disengage from the connector. Connector down there on the chassis there. Place the defective fan to the side. Locate the kit that gets shipped for the fans. The kit usually has 2 fans. One for the upper and one for the lower fan that goes in the front of the system. We're going to be using the fan for the upper. Slide the fan in the slot, align it with the connector. And press to engage it in the connector. Check, make sure both fans are seated correctly. Close the fan cover. Secure it with the screw. Log into the system and check the system and the component health and functionality. And that's how you replace an upper fan module.